Pune-based health tech startup Flexifyme is taking a big step forward in its mission to make physiotherapy smarter and more accessible. Now, the company has raised 20 crore rupees in a pre-series A round led by Ivy Cap Ventures, with participation from Signal Ventures and existing investors. The fresh capital will be used to expand hybrid care centers, launch AI-powered posture and Greylabs, and strengthen clinical research partnerships. Flexifyme's platform combines AI with expert physiotherapy to identify the root cause of chronic pain, helping users avoid unnecessary surgeries and improve mobility. Joining me now to discuss this further is Manjeet Singh, the co-founder of Flexifyme. Manjeet, thank you so much for taking time out and being here with us on Startup Street. You know, before we get into the fundraise, if you could in 30 seconds just tell us about Flexifyme, what it offers and the gap that you're trying to address.
Yeah, first of all, thanks Arundhati for having us. So Flexifyme, we're a chronic pain management platform, and the focus for us is to increase the quality of life. Because what has happened is, the quantity of life has improved in the last 50 years, but the quality has gone down. So people are living more in pain, but for a longer period of time. So our focus is to help people live completely without pain.
Last month you raised about 20 crore rupees led by Ivy Cap Ventures. How exactly will this funding sort of help accelerate your hybrid expansion plans and also your new AI-driven posture labs?
Sure. See, one of the biggest problem in this specific space of the chronic pain management is that there is no standardized diagnosis that happens. So once you go to one physiotherapist or second physiotherapist, so they do the complete treatment as per their own understanding. So what we have done is, with the help of our AI-powered posture analysis, so we standardize the diagnosis, we understand the root cause of the pain, and that helps in solving the problem. And our approach is going omni-channel because that is what works in India. So currently we have 7,000 online patients. So we currently have 4 offline centers in Pune, and in the next 15 months, so we are targeting about 20 centers across Pune, Mumbai, and Bangalore. So that will help us in doing an omni-channel play in the chronic pain segment.
Right, so an omni-channel play there. Can you sort of give us, a sense of your current revenue run rate or, your user growth and what scale you are targeting over the next 12 to 18 months with this fundraise?
Sure. So currently we have roughly around 7,000 patients that we are working with. So we are roughly doing about 1 crore monthly. So in the next 15 months, the target is, once we have about 20 centers, so we'll reach to about 3.5 to 4 crores monthly revenue.
Sure. And what sets Flexifyme's AI-powered physiotherapy apart from, traditional clinics or other digital health startups offering pain management solutions?
So the biggest differentiator that we have is, again, the patented technology that we have developed to understand the root cause. So we do a static posture analysis because right now the biggest reason for the pain is the posture. We are doing a sedentary life in which we're sitting in front of the laptop for 9, 10 or more hours. That is basically completely destroying our posture. So the first thing that we do is identify the static posture analysis and muscle mobility, joint strength. So it's a complex analysis that we do that helps us understanding why that pain is there. And then we start working on the root cause of the pain so that it's not a temporary relief, but a complete relief from the pain in the long term.
So you're looking at complete relief of pain in the long term. You've also mentioned sort of expanding globally, right? So which markets are at the top of mind for you right now, and how will you sort of localize your model to suit different healthcare ecosystems?
Sure. So currently also by word of mouth, so we have almost 20% of our clients are from outside India, majorly 3 large markets. So one is US, second is UAE, and third is UK. So these are the 3 large outside India market that we focus upon. And currently the idea is, our technology, we are taking it under FDA approval. So once we get FDA approval, so that is the plan. The first country that we start targeting is US and UAE are the 2 main markets that we'll focus upon.
US and UAE, and what's the revenue mix that you're hoping to see going forward?
So in terms of currently the revenue that we have is about 30% coming from outside India, but in next 15 months, so we are looking at roughly 40-45% of our revenues coming from outside India.
Sure. And, you're already working with enterprises and insurers, right? So how important are these partnerships to your growth, and what's the roadmap for scaling your B2B offerings?
So it's again plays a very important role because now healthcare is moving more towards the insurance driven, the market. So that's where we basically are working with insurance players. And the biggest challenge with insurance players right now is there is an increasing cost of surgeries. And there was a study which was done that 70% of the surgeries which are done in India are not really required, and mostly people are getting pushed into surgeries. So that's where we come handy. We help insurance companies as well as individuals to recover without any surgery, and that's a win-win both for the insurance players as well as for the end users.
All right, Manjeet, thank you so much for taking time out and being here with us on Startup Street. We wish you all the best on this journey going forward.
Sure. Thank you so much for having us. Thank you.